Good morning, guys. Oh my god, this is one of those mornings that you just wake up and you're like, hey, I'm late. Yes, this is me. Oh my god, my husband woke up before me today as usual, because he's off to work and I'm at home today. Like, this whole house is in a mess, and why is that? It's because I've just been doing all sorts of crazy shifts, crazy shit, and I've not really had time to do anything else. So yeah, so this is gonna be basically a day in my life as a married woman. I don't know, this is just gonna be a day in my life. You guys already know that I'm newly married. For those who do not know, I'm less than a year actually. All right, let me just get around to like tidying the whole place, and yeah, come with me.
People see me now, wanna be me now, but then don't know what I've been through. The sacrifice I put into this game has given me the fame that I do have. Everybody wants to wear the crown, but when asked to pay the price, again a frown. Sucks to like about you gotta pay the price, so you could walk with her with pride by your side. Sometimes life
I bow before your throne. Nara, 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 oh.
Please stand. People see me now, wanna be me now.
Time to clean the bathroom, time to clean the bathroom.
Must be and wow, pray we should walk twice as high. Failure walks is very dead, so we could be the head another tail. Opportunity doesn't always come in way.
Guys, it gets so dark quickly. When I woke up and I was like, good morning guys, I didn't check the time. It wasn't morning, it was afternoon. It was like 2 or 3 o'clock, I don't know. And right now it's so dark outside. I don't know why winter is like this. I'm just gonna take the bean outside, and guys, I'm not risking it, okay? I've got my jacket on, almost as if I'm going outside. But yeah, the bean is literally outside, so the bean is outside of the house, so I have to go outside. Don't tell me it's raining. Don't tell me it's raining. It's nighttime. I don't even remember which one is recycling and which one is not. Let's put it here. That's how star do. That's how star do. That's how star do. Alright, look at it. It's not even 9 p.m. Why is it so dark? Why is it so dark in this environment of mine? I don't understand it. Alright, so I'm back here. I'm gonna go ahead to wash up the dishes, you guys. And then once I've washed the dishes, I'm gonna start cooking. And once I'm washing up, I'll probably just like charge my battery, because this battery is dying. It's dying. All right guys, we're still at the job. I'm cooking at the moment. I've washed the dishes, I've made beans over there. I've made beans, and I'm currently just making pasta. Hello guys, your favorite house girl is still here. So I literally had to, like, my camera died, so I had to go charge my battery. And so whilst I was charging, I was busy cooking, because I just had to like get everything done. So I've cooked and I'm gonna show you guys. Ready? We've got some fried rice in there, got some pasta in there, egusi soup, got some chicken here as well.
People see me now, wanna be me now, but then don't know what I've been through. The sacrifice I put into this game has given me the fame that I do have. Everybody wants to wear the crown, but when asked to pay the price, again a frown. Sucks to lock about, you gotta pay the price. So you could walk with her with pride by your side. Sometimes life comes like a hurricane, that there will be no even time to strike up again. And life hits you down to the ground. Please stand, please stand. People see me now, wanna be me now, but then don't know what I've been through. The sacrifice I put into this game has given me the...
And then I decided that I should make apple crumble. So these are all the apples I'm using to make my apple crumble, and I'll film some of it. And yeah, I don't want the vlog to be too long, so
wanna be me now, but then don't know what I've been through. The sacrifice I put into this game has given me the fame that I do have. Twice as high.
I've got this. This is my I don't know what to call it, but that's what I'm gonna put on the apple crumble. And my pan is ready over there. If you guys can see my pan over there, I've just washed it ready. And usually we'll wait for this to dry up. This is the apple, sugar, and cinnamon in here. Let it dry up, and then we can get into baking. Please kindly go watch this video. It's on my channel. It's our first time visiting Edinburgh, and you can see that your girl is hungry. She's eating. Go watch this video. Thank you, love you, bye-bye. I'm really tired, so I'm gonna go ahead and have a shower. Then I'm gonna get something to eat, and I'm gonna edit some videos. Let's go.
We expect, but we so quick to go on the down low. Great stories do not always start great. Hold on, people see me now, wanna be me now.
24 minutes for this to be ready. I'll come check it after 15 minutes and see if it's ready. If it is, I'll take it out. If it's not, then I'll leave it in there for the rest of the time. Hello guys, I've had a shower now. You guys have probably noticed. And before I start minding my business, I think it might be a good idea to go check my pudding. So although the timer is on, we'll just see. Let me just go check it, because you never know. You never know. Just when I was trying to mind my business, it's 24 minutes already. Ugh, get ready for what's gonna come out. Oh, look at this. The steam is so hot. Ooh, I think it's ready, guys. Guys, I'm so impressed with myself. Ever since I learned how to make apple crumble, I've not rested. I've just wanted to make it and make it and make it. So I'm going to show you guys what the outcome looks like. And yes, thank you guys for watching this vlog. I do appreciate. This is practically one of the days in my life. I must say that I don't cook every single day of my life, but I try to cook one day so that we can have food for at least 3 or 4 days, so I don't have to cook every single day. Also, I also want to say that I don't clean my house every single day, but when I start to clean, I'm just in the spirit of cleaning. I just go ahead to clean. I just clean in sections. I'm not a fan of cleaning everywhere at the same time, but today I just thought, why not? I might as well just clean everywhere at the same time. And because of that reason, I wasn't able to go out to the post office. Not like I usually go out anyways, but I really wanted to go drop some at the post office, so that'll be done tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what the apple crumble looks like. Apple crumble, for people that might not know, is a dessert. You can just have it after you've had your main meal. It's that little sweet thing that you put in your mouth that just makes everything better. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. I do appreciate. Please leave me a comment in the comment section below if you like me making like vlogs like this of me being at home, like doing my life stuff. Obviously I'm a lifestyle content creator, so this is me talking like I'm really content. Wow, speaking to existence, girl. I'm a content creator, yes. But yeah, I do appreciate all of you that are watching my channel, my silent watchers and my no silent watchers. You guys are the best. Yeah, it's what my husband said to me today. It's like, start small. Don't despite the days of little beginning. Start small. The people that follow you once you're small will be the ones sticking around with you when you're blown up. But yeah, that really like sunk in. So I want to say the same thing to you guys. Any of you that might be like struggling with anything, I just want to say start small.
Let me hear you say